Hey, Mr. Og. Hey, Og. Look what I'm doing. I'm going to turn off the hose. He's going to come and try to get me. Uh-oh, here he comes. No. He's my little T-Rex. That's why I have work ow pants. Dang. No, Og. No. No. Time to go. Uh-oh. You try to turn this off. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, success. Thank you, Fred.